Hello, my beautiful kings and queens. Welcome to La Petite Savory Secrets. I'm so excited to cook with you, my lovely. I'm your host, Zuri, and today we are taking a trip, a flavor journey right from our kitchen. We're making something absolutely incredible. African-inspired shawarma. Now, if you've ever had shawarma, you know it's that delicious, thinly sliced meat wrapped in a warm flatbread. But trust me, you've never had it like this before. This isn't just a meal, it's a celebration of flavor.
So, if you're ready to turn up the heat and create something truly special, stick around. Let's get cooking.
Now pour your small cut chicken pieces in the mix. And here we have our delicious shawarma, perfectly wrapped and ready to enjoy. Let us now taste this mouth-watering masterpiece.
This is so good.
That's it for today's African-inspired shawarma. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more modern African-inspired dishes. Thank you so much, my lovely kings and queens. This is La Petite Savory Secrets. See you in the next video.